When most people hear diet, they think punishment. Step 1 is to change that. A diet is simply how you eat, your everyday pattern. We're not chasing extremes. We're building a way of eating you can enjoy and sustain. That's how real weight loss sticks. Aim for slow, steady progress, about ½ pound to 1 pound per week. That pace protects your energy, mood, and metabolism. Remember, this is a lifestyle shift, not a race. If you have a medical condition, talk to a professional before starting. You don't need a crash diet. Create a small daily deficit, about 300 to 500 calories. Simple swaps do the work. Replace soda with water. Choose grilled over fried. Skip mindless snacks. Little changes, repeated, become big results. Use a plate formula. Half vegetables and fruits. A quarter lean protein. A quarter whole grain or starchy carbs. Add a thumb size of healthy fats if needed. This balance keeps meals filling, flavorful, and effortless to repeat. Protein helps you stay full. Include it at every meal. Fiber from veggies, fruit, beans, and oats slows digestion and curbs cravings. And many hunger signals are just thirst. Keep water nearby and sip throughout the day. Perfection backfires. Eat nourishing, balanced foods about 80% of the time and save 20% for favorites you love. Planning treats removes guilt, prevents binging, and makes the plan feel human. Shrink the plate, not your joy. Smaller plates and slower bites reduce intake without feeling deprived. Anchor your day with consistent meal times and use a simple pause, 10 mindful breaths before seconds. Hunger, not habit, should lead. You don't need brutal workouts. Daily steps and light strength training amplify results. Walk more, take the stairs, and do short bodyweight sessions a few times a week. Movement supports mood, sleep, and steady loss. Check progress once a week and adjust gently. If weight trends down, keep going. If it stalls for 2 weeks, trim about 100 calories or add a little movement. Protect sleep. Good rest controls appetite and cravings. The best diet doesn't feel like one. It's flexible, satisfying, and repeatable. When balance becomes your default, results last. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and let small wins compound. Subscribe to EverHealth for more clear, science-based guidance.